express the given angle in degree measure. So you're given 7 pi over 3, right? And what you gotta do is you gotta make it into you're given it in radians, right? So you gotta go from radian measure into degree measure. So what you gotta do first and foremost is use this formula. 1 pi radian equals 180 degrees, right? Now what you're gonna do is you're given 7/3 pi radians, right? And you gotta multiply by, you got two choices: 1 pi radian over 180 or degrees, or multiply by 180 degrees over 1 pi radian. Now what you gotta do is look at what you're given. If you're given radians, choose the one that has a denominator radius. If you're given degrees, go ahead and multiply by the degrees in denominator. So we're going to use where it has 1 pi radians on the bottom, right? Now, the one that has 1 pi radian on the bottom, right, has 180 degrees on top. So go ahead and multiply across. 7 pi radians times 180, that'll be 180 times 7. I don't know what that is. Let's figure it out. So 0 times 7 is 0. 8 times 7 is 56. 1 times 7 is 7 plus 5 is 12. So it's 1260 degrees pi radians over 3 times 1 pi radian is 3 pi radian. Anything similar, your denominator and your numerator, yeah, pi and radian. So these cancel out. You're left with 1 on both the top and the bottom. You're left with 1 on the top and the bottom, right? So 1, 1, 1, 1. And then all you're left with is 1260 degrees divided by 3. So let's find out what that is. So 3 goes into 1 0 times, 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 12 is 12. 12 minus 12 is 0, bring down to 6. 3 goes into 6 twice. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, bring down to 0. 3 into 0 is 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. So 0 minus 0 will be 0. So it'll be 420 degrees, right? Now, knowing that this is a angle larger than our regular angle, right? You know that this is a multiple of pi, right? So if you take it and subtract 360 degrees from it, you'll find out what it is equivalent to, as in its reference angle, right? 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 cannot subtract 6, borrow 1 from 4 becomes 3. 1 becomes 12. 12 minus 6 is 60 degrees. So the reference angle for the given 420 degrees, right, would be 60 degrees, just in case you're curious.